Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys where you can find the red-faced cormorant. Don't know if I pronounced that correctly. Um, but basically they'll be at the old sea area, and they'll be in these tiny islands. They won't be here. So as you can see, there's one right there. They'll be on the islands there and not where we are. Can't really get that close to them, but we can take pictures from here, and that's what the red-faced cormorant looks like. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Also, you'll need to be level 6, and I think it only appears when it's rainbow. I have to check again. Hold on, actually. So the weather has to be either rainy or rainbow, and it spawns all day. So yeah, that is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!